Hi, welcome to a chef called Rhonda. I'm Rhonda and this is my kitchen. And today I'm going to share with you 4 essential kitchen herbs. Grab your trusty wooden spoons. Let's all meet back in the kitchen while I show you 4 essential kitchen herbs. My first kitchen hack or kitchen herb, if you will, butter be soft and simple. One of my all-time favorites. I leave my butter out at room temperature for a perfect spread every time. So number 2 on my hit list of kitchen herbs is my citrus roll. Put it on the counter and just roll until you can feel the juice become a little bit pliable and soft in the middle. So next time your fruit tray calls for citrus, make sure you roll by hand prior to slicing and dicing. Number 3 on the hit list of Rhonda's kitchen herbs is my perfect parchment paper trick. Next time you're making your favorite batch of cookies, a little tiny piece of cookie dough in each of the corners on the parchment paper, and then adhere your parchment paper to your cookie sheet. Works like a dream. It offers adherence and stability for situating your cookies on parchment paper. And lastly, a quick and easy fix to those dull kitchen scissors. Simply, all you need to do is grab a piece of foil and repetitively cut the scissors across the foil like so. And wow, your scissors will be like new. Hope you enjoyed a Chef Called Rhonda's cooking show today. If you have not yet subscribed to a Chef Called Rhonda, please would you subscribe to a Chef Called Rhonda? It's always healthy, always delicious, and always fun. Until we meet again, I bid you salute.